the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. Would you get me spinning? Wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, with me something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me.
Hey, Jeremy Burgers! It is us again, and welcome to another video of Education for Everyone video. I, Leandro A. De Venus.
I'm Mira Risa Pravia. Hi, Angel Castro. Charlie J. Subia.
Jerome Gokon. In today's video, we will discuss the importance of ICT in our life. Last few videos, we have discussed the importance of environment and values, and now we will discuss the importance of ICT in our life. And later on, we will talk about the misconception and how to practice responsible cybersecurity.
And boy, you're just my type.
We all wondered how important the ICT in today's generation. Ako, ginagamit ko pa siya sa jowa ko. ICT is very important to me as an intern. Because as a student, I need to do my responsibilities and duties inside the social media.
As an innovative and new generation of social media, as an intern and a advocate, I need and should use my social media accounts to raise awareness in some causes such as environmental, political, and societal problems.
Of course, I am using my cell phone to communicate with others, family, friends, classmates, and as well as my teachers.
This guidance is very helpful to me as a student because I am using them for my academic studies. I am using them to set aside some information, research, unfamiliar things, or even unfamiliar words.
AI is one of the most powerful influential tools nowadays. No one can take it away from students. As an environmental advocacy, we press them to help it to solve a problem. To us, them is need to have a
If you use AI responsibly, you can have some knowledge in some cases like hanggang wala ka nang matutunan.
Pero huwag kang mag-alala dahil mamaya, i-discuss namin kung paano bumagay ng responsible at alang-alang ang tama at mali sa paggamit ng social media. But, let's discuss first the misconception about ICT. Nagagamit ko yan ng mga sa ICT. Some research and observations, some people, especially elderly, who has a lot to say about ICT. They say content on cellphone is harmful. Cellphone is waste of time. Last and foremost, cellphone not necessary for education. By studying, practicing, and promoting responsible cybersecurity. And that's really the meaningful explanation that social media is neutral, but in accordance on how people use them. Remember that you should always think about what you see, what you think, and what you click online.